Hey guys, Guru here. Today I'm going to show you how to install ELECTRA Jailbreak app in iPhone devices that running iOS 11.0 to 11.1.2. This jailbreak won't work in iOS 11.2 or later running firmware iOS devices. This method won't need any PC or Mac. You can do it within iPhone. For this jailbreak, you need to go to this link. Whichever the link I'm using in this video, I will mention down in the description below. Okay, let's start. First open the Safari and go to this link, that is Tweakbox. In that site you need to scroll down and choose the Tweakbox apps. There is ELECTRA Jailbreak app. Click on that link and as you can see the install button. Click on the install button and close the Safari and go back to home screen. There's an app is downloading. Wait for the app installation. If you try to open the ELECTRA app, it won't open because it's not trusted by verified developer. For that, you need to go to setting. In settings, go to general, device management. In device management, you can see the profile called Beijing Nation Sky Network Technology. Then you trust that profile. Now you can able to open the ELECTRA Jailbreak app. Before activating jailbreak, you need to download some other apps. In that, one app is must. That is Filza Escape app. That is like file manager in Android devices. This app is also available in the same section where we found ELECTRA Jailbreak application. Until jailbreak, this app won't work. Along with this, you need to download the Zip app free. That app is available in the App Store for free. After installing these apps, you are ready to jailbreak your iPhone. Open ELECTRA app and click on jailbreak. If this method didn't work for the first time, you need to try this method again, and after respring, the device will ask you to enter the passcode. Yeah, now this iPhone successfully jailbroken for the first time. Anemone app will be installed after successful jailbreak for the first time. Yeah, here it is guys. This is how to jailbreak your iPhone running iOS 11.0 to iOS 11.1.2. This is just an installation of jailbreak in your phone. Wait for the next videos to how to install themes and tweak the iOS. Yeah, that's it guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Who are all watching this video still not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel, push a bell button to get instant notification of my channel. If you have any queries about this video, please let me know in the comment section. Yeah, thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video.